omwana n'afuluma. Ali mu kufuluma ne banzirusa mu ddwaliro e Mulago. Naye omwami wange yali taliiwo. Agenda okutegeera nga ntuuse mu ddwaliro naye nga omwana ayagala kufuluma. Kati nembeeraawo nga tulina bulungi ssente okulaba abasawo nga baagala ssente. Nensula omwana wange ali afulumizza omutwe. Bagenda okunkolako enkeera saa 12. Naye nga ekirungi omwana yali akyali mulamu nakati waali. Naye nga namala bbawa ssente okunkolako.
Betty is among the few that escaped death by a whisker upon realizing that her caretaker worked for government. She, however, fears to get pregnant again following the malpractices manifested in government hospitals. This has made officials of Uganda National Consumers Organization to differ from the practice of hospital detention, for it is contrary to international human rights law.
Patient detentions are very rampant. If you went to any community and asked whether they have been detained or they have had a relative who has suffered from the same, you'll be shocked. Every one of them will give you a different narrative. Like we did say, there are different forms of how you can be detained. One of them is when they hold information from you. They are insisting that you go to a specific facility. For instance, they give you diagnosis and they are saying go and buy medicine from only this very hospital, or rather this pharmacy. And they have written in a language that you cannot quickly take to any person to interpret. And the price is beyond that you can afford.
Mebo Kukonda Musinguzi says attention is required from policymakers to ban hospital detention of patients and also raise awareness on its effects.
So we are calling upon government to intensify the supervision and monitoring in the facilities so that patients are not subjected to such conditions that actually lead to their deaths, like we saw that the lady in Ruwero.
The Executive Director, Uganda National Consumers Organization, Robina Kaitiritimba, says patients must pay their hospital dues but should not come with conditions.
Many of these patients, as you have heard, some of them are actually right now imprisoned in hospitals, and they don't want us to speak because they are afraid. Their people are in hospital, and they don't want us to begin to take them to court while people are still in hospital. They worry.
Many hospitals have on many occasions refused to release bodies of the deceased over unpaid bills. Sudat Kaye, UBC News.